case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, the Supreme Court of New Jersey heard the case Myrlak v. Port Authority, where a woman was injured after a chair she was sitting on collapsed in a train station. She sued the manufacturer, Girsberger, and the Port Authority of New York and New Jersey, PATH, who were responsible for maintaining the station. The lower court ruled in favor of PATH, but the decision was overturned by the Appellate Division due to the exclusion of crucial evidence that could have helped the plaintiff establish a manufacturing defect in the chair. The court rejected the use of the legal doctrine called res ipsa loquitur in strict products liability cases in favor of the indeterminate product defect test, which allows for circumstantial evidence to prove that a product was unsafe and caused the injury. The plaintiff had been sitting in the chair for nearly 2 hours when it suddenly collapsed, and upon inspection, it was found that the back of the chair had collapsed and lacked support. The chair was part of a batch of 500 purchased by PATH from Girsberger and had only been in use for 5 weeks. The Supreme Court reversed the Appellate Division's decision, requiring a res ipsa loquitur charge, and remanded the case for further proceedings. The ruling emphasized the importance of proving a product was not safe or fit for its intended purpose using any available information and clues, even if the exact cause of the defect remains unknown. The exclusion of crucial evidence was deemed detrimental to the plaintiff's case, and the use of the indeterminate product defect test was considered more appropriate than res ipsa loquitur in strict product liability cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.